Today, I am reviewing the Beelink SER9 MAX mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The AMD Ryzen 7 H255 processor is the centerpiece here, and its performance is immediately noticeable in everyday use. With 8 cores and 16 threads boosting up to 4.9 GHz, the system handles heavy multitasking effortlessly. Running multiple browsers packed with tabs, virtual machines, development environments, large spreadsheets, and background services all at once doesn't slow the machine down in any meaningful way. What stands out is not just peak performance, but sustained performance. Even under long workloads, the system maintains responsiveness instead of feeling strained or throttled, which is crucial for professional use. The inclusion of 64 GB of DDR5 RAM changes the entire experience. This is not overkill for the target audience of this machine. It allows the SER9 MAX to excel in memory-intensive tasks like software development, data analysis, virtualization, large photo libraries, and video editing timelines. Applications launch instantly, context switching is seamless, and the system never feels like it's juggling resources. DDR5 at 5600 MHz also adds a noticeable smoothness to the overall workflow, especially when many applications are active simultaneously. Storage performance is equally impressive. The 1TB NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD delivers extremely fast boot times, rapid file transfers, and near-instant application launches. Working with large project files or media assets feels fluid and interruption-free. The presence of dual SSD slots supporting up to 8 TB total storage gives this mini PC serious long-term flexibility. This isn't a system you'll quickly outgrow. It's clearly designed for users who want to expand over time without replacing the entire machine. Graphics performance is another pleasant surprise. The integrated AMD Radeon 780M graphics with 12 cores running at 2600 MHz handle far more than basic display output. 4K video playback is smooth, even at high refresh rates, and the system comfortably supports triple 4K displays. For productivity, this multi-monitor capability significantly improves workflow efficiency. For light gaming, esports titles like Dota 2, CS, Go, and League of Legends run smoothly at playable frame rates, making the SER9 MAX a viable option for casual gaming without a dedicated GPU. The triple display support deserves special mention because it works exactly as advertised. Using HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C simultaneously feels stable and reliable, with no display dropouts or configuration headaches. This makes the system especially appealing for developers, traders, content creators, and office professionals who rely on multi-screen setups to stay productive. Connectivity on this mini PC is exceptionally well thought out. The inclusion of USB 4 at 40 gigabits per second opens the door for high-speed external storage, docks, and even external GPUs if needed. Combined with multiple USB 3.2 ports, USB 2.0 ports, dual audio jacks, and a 10 gigabits per second Ethernet port, this system offers connectivity that rivals and often exceeds many full-size desktops. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 add modern wireless reliability, making the machine suitable for both wired and wireless environments. Thermal management is handled surprisingly well for such a compact device. Even under sustained workloads, fan noise remains controlled and never distracting. The system doesn't exhibit aggressive throttling, and surface temperatures stay reasonable. This balance between cooling and acoustics suggests careful internal design rather than brute force fan curves. In daily use, the Beelink SER9 MAX feels dependable and professional. Windows 11 Pro runs smoothly, and features like Wake-on-LAN make it suitable for remote access, server-like roles, or office deployment. Whether it's used as a primary workstation, a compact home server, a development machine, or a media and entertainment hub, the system adapts easily without feeling out of place. What ultimately defines the Beelink SER9 MAX is how little it asks you to compromise. You get desktop-level performance, massive memory capacity, fast storage, modern connectivity, and multi-display support in a form factor that takes up almost no space. It doesn't try to be flashy or gimmicky. Instead, it focuses on delivering consistent, high-level performance for people who care more about what their machine can do than how big it is. This mini PC makes a strong case for replacing bulky desktops in many real-world scenarios. If you need power, expandability, and reliability in a compact footprint, the Beelink SER9 MAX doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them in ways that matter during everyday use.